Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for Wu. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can go ahead and plot is our monthly swing low here. This is the lowest point price has reached on the monthly chart, showing signs of support. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now here on the weekly, we can go ahead and plot a key level here. As we see price come up, hit, and reverse drastically. We can also notice a clear key level here where price came down, hit, and reversed. Now, this is clear to spot on the weekly chart. As price comes up, hits, reverses, and as price comes back up, hits, reverses. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, as we see multiple reactions acting as resistance, and support. So this one was easy as there's not a lot of price action, but it's clear to see all the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.